Welcome to SlickPick Gaming. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Smart Picker Direct Mode, a fast, powerful way to generate optimized Powerball plays without going through the analyzer first. This method puts you directly in the Smart Picker with full control over every setting. Let's get into it. Start by going to slickpickgaming.com and opening the SlickPick Gaming Powerball Analyzer. Before we dive in, notice this button right here on the main screen. Click it, and it takes you directly to the official Powerball website where you can check the current jackpot. Always worth knowing what's up for grabs before you build your strategy. Now back in the program, the first thing it does when it opens is automatically fetch the latest Powerball draw history from the internet. You'll see the data load in the background. This keeps your analysis current with the most recent drawings. If the auto-fetch doesn't connect, maybe you're working offline or the connection times out, a manual download window will appear on screen. Don't panic. Just follow the prompt. It takes you to the ny.gov Powerball data page where you download the CSV file directly. Once downloaded, load it into the program using the manual load button, and everything works exactly the same. Either way, you are ready to go. Now click on the Smart Picker tab right here at the top of the program. In videos 1 and 2, we built our hot, mid, and do pools in the analyzer and sent them over to the Smart Picker. Smart Picker Direct Mode works differently. Here you build your pools directly inside the Smart Picker itself. No analyzer required. This is perfect for players who want to jump straight to generating plays without going through the full analysis workflow. It's faster, more direct, and still fully data-driven. When you arrive in the Smart Picker in direct mode, you'll notice the pool source banner is not showing analyzer pools. You are working with fresh, direct pools calculated automatically from your draw history settings right here. The first thing to set is your history window, right here at the top of the Smart Picker. This controls how many past Powerball drawings the program uses to calculate your hot, mid, and do pools. You can choose from 10 draws all the way up to 100 draws. I typically use 40 draws as a solid baseline, broad enough to capture meaningful patterns, but recent enough to reflect current ball behavior. Think of it this way. A 10-draw window is very focused on what has been happening recently. A 100-draw window gives you a much longer-term statistical picture. Experiment with different window sizes and see how your pools shift. The program automatically recalculates your hot, mid, and do pools every time you change the history window. You can see the pools update in real time right here on screen. Next, set your Powerball pool. This is the red ball section right here. You have buttons from top 1 all the way to top 6, plus a Use Pool option. What this controls is how many of the most frequently appearing Powerballs the program will draw from when generating your plays. Top 1 means every play uses the single most frequent Powerball. Top 6 means the program picks from the 6 most active Powerballs, giving you more variety across your plays. I recommend top 6 as a good starting point. It gives you coverage across the most statistically active red balls while keeping your selection focused. Use Pool means the program draws from your full analyzed Powerball pool, the broadest option available. You can see a preview of exactly which Powerballs are in your current selection right here below the buttons, so you always know what the program is working with. Now let's set your white ball pools. This is the core of Smart Picker Direct Mode. You have 3 pools: hot, mid, and do. The program has already ranked all 69 white balls based on your history window setting. Now you choose how many balls from each pool go into each play. The hot pool contains the balls appearing most frequently in your draw window. Click the number of hot balls you want in each play: 1, 2, 3, or more. The mid pool contains balls in the middle statistical range, not running hot, but not overdue either. Set how many MID balls you want per play. The do pool contains balls that haven't appeared recently and are statistically overdue. Set how many do balls you want per play. The key is that your total across all 3 pools must equal exactly 5. because every Powerball ticket has 5 white balls. Watch the indicator right here. It shows you your current total and tells you when you have hit exactly 5. When it reads 5 of 5, you are ready to generate. A popular balance setup is 3 hot, 1 mid, and 1 due. That weights your plays toward currently active numbers while still including some statistical variety. But experiment. Try 2 hot, 2 mid, 1 due, or any combination that matches your personal strategy. One more setting before we generate, the odd-even balance. Right here you set how many odd numbers you want on each play. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 to set the odd count. The even count automatically adjusts to fill the remaining spots. For example, set 3 odd and the program automatically understands you want 2 even on every play. If you don't want to constrain your plays by odd-even balance, click the Off Free Pick button and the program generates plays with no odd-even restriction. Recent Powerball draw history tends to follow certain odd-even patterns. A 3 odd, 2 even split is one of the most common outcomes historically, but the choice is entirely yours. Once your odd-even setting is dialed in, you are ready to generate. Now the fun part. Hit the Generate button. You have 4 options right here: 10 picks, 20 picks, 30 picks, or 40 picks. Choose how many plays you want to generate and hit the button. In seconds, the Smart Picker builds your complete set of plays, every one respecting your pool settings, your tier ratios, and your odd-even balance. Every play is different. Every play is built from the statistically relevant numbers in your pools. Your plays appear right here on screen. Review them. If you want a fresh set with different combinations, hit Generate again. Same settings, new plays. Keep generating until you have a set you are happy with. Notice each play shows you the 5 white balls and the Powerball clearly laid out, clean and easy to read. With your plays generated, you have several options for what to do with them. The Print button generates a clean, printable version of your plays, formatted and ready for your printer, simple and fast. The Slip Print button is where SlickPick Gaming really stands out. Click it and the program loads your plays into the slip printing system. Select your state from the drop-down. SlickPick has calibrated slip profiles for Connecticut, Maryland, Montana, New York, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and West Virginia, with more states being added regularly. Load your printer profile, and the program prints your picks directly onto your official state Powerball play slip. No filling in bubbles by hand. We have a dedicated video on the slip printing system linked in the description. The Export button saves your complete strategy to a text file on your computer. The exported file includes the date and time, your pick method, your history window, your pool settings, and every play you generated. A full record of your strategy for every session you play. Whatever method you choose, your plays were built from real draw history data and generated by the most comprehensive Powerball analysis tool available. And that is Smart Picker Direct Mode in SlickPick Gaming. Fast, focused, and fully data-driven. No analyzer required. Just set your history window, choose your pools, set your odd-even balance, and generate. This is video 3 in the SlickPick Gaming instruction series. In the other videos in this series, we cover the Analyzer Auto Mode, Manual Pick Mode, the Heat Map, the Merlin Wizard, the Power Wheeler, and the Slip Printer. Links to every video are in the description and in the Help tab inside the app. SlickPick Gaming, the smartest Powerball tool available. Get it at slickpickgaming.com. One-time purchase, $35. Yours forever. Stop guessing, start analyzing. Good luck out there.